This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, Dynamics 365 F&O. F&O means it's a finance and operations demo. It's a technical demo, guys. We have a two things is a function technical. This is a entirely a technical demo. And what is the Dynamics 365? Dynamics 365 it's a ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. So compared to the other programming languages, here already the product is developed by Microsoft. On top of that, based on the customer requirement, we are going to be do that customizations. So if you think about that, you can take the any programming language, .NET or Java. There, what we have to do from scratch level means it's a database diagrams design and the pages design web pages how it look like, and it is communicated with any other language or those things. UML diagrams, is a system requirement specific documents. Everything should be there, but in coming to the ERP, it's a directly we are going to work with the ERP. There is no implementation because implementation projects are there, but somewhat customizations is already available from those customizations, and the product is available from Microsoft. Base product is available. On top of that, we are going to give the extra features. Okay, that is what exactly what we are doing here. PHP. The base thing is that we require that H++ language. The prerequisites for this one, H++ language, it is derived from that C++ and .NET. So, and one more thing is the OOPS concepts is required to learn the this language. But no worries. Anyway, in our course TOC, okay, the OOPS concepts will cover completely advanced level to some basic level to advanced level. It will cover. Hmm. Let's say example. I will give you one more example. You can easily understand. Suppose in a festival season, we can go for that to market to purchase the clothes, right? So we have two options are there. One is that ready-mades, and second one is that materials we can buy it and go to the tailor, provide our measurements, then we can buy it. But at least this will take that 7 to 15 days is required, means 1 week to 2 weeks is required. But ready-made, it's already available in the market. So just we can buy the ready-made, and based on that length and we can adjust, alter, then we can ready to use within the next 1 hour or 2 hour. The same concept they have used in that ERP. So customer, after purchasing this product, no need to wait. On the first day onwards, he ready to use and he ready to start his operations. Okay, if you start any business, the customer, okay, we have some prerequisites modules is required, correct, right? Just don't discuss about that ERP of Dynamics 365. Just take a one simple bookshop example. Okay, bookshop, what are the prerequisites we required? First, we need one shop is required, right? For and materials means is a books, here I can call books is a materials, and one employee also is required, correct? Means he's working into that bookshop. Every month he needs to, the owner needs to pay the amount to this employee, means it's a salary or wages. So, and sometimes each shop having a some books or some inventory they're maintaining. There's some general language we can call it a good, because if you go to that any shop, if you ask anyone book is saying is, sir, could you please wait for 5 minutes, that book is not available, this book is available into that another good, our boy will go and pick that one. So that is called actually inventory, right? Means there is no space is not required, so they're storing the books there. Based on the stock, they can update that books into that exact shop. So these things is a minimum things to start the bookshop. Okay, correct, guys? Actually, this scenario we can call it as an ERP technology, trade and logistics. You can call it as a trade and logistics. So If we go to the Dynamics 365, this all scenarios is standard is available. No need to implement these things from scratch because Microsoft is already given. So now I'm giving, suppose accounts payable. Accounts payable one module is there. Okay, this module we are going to pay means it's a vendor is required. The same in a bookshop also. This bookshop person he needs to purchase the books from that some vendors, some other publications. So accounts payable and accounts receivable means it's a customers is required. We can get the customers, okay, their vendors and customers. And for a, in the bookshop there is an employee is there, right? We need to pay the salary. So that thing is a payroll module also is required every month, and how many leaves he took this current month. So everything it is trackable is there. And inventory module also is there. Inventory in which location how many books are there, like that. Warehouse also, suppose this having that different branches there. So in particular warehouse 001 how many books are there, this everything. So it's already available in this product, but we are going to customizing this one. How we are going to customize? Through H++ language. And one, and the another advantage is that once you purchase, the customer is purchased the Dynamics 360 F&O, he can use that multiple businesses in the same. He can create multiple companies. Okay, he can create multiple companies. Let's I give that one more example, some advanced example. The customer having the he purchased the ERP. The customer having that business like say MS Dynamics 365 ERP. Okay, the customer having the different businesses. One is that bookstore. Okay, and second one is that jewelry shop, and third one is that some grocery store, some footwear business. Okay, and factory business. Factory also is there. Some diamonds business, some locks business. Okay, this ERP will support all these businesses at a time. Okay, customer can create multiple legal entities. Actually these are called as a legal entities. These legal entities he can operate the all the businesses using the single ERP. Okay, single ERP we can able to use this one. Guys, up to here clear?
Yes,
Clear, clear.
it's clear.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
Amar.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sorry guys, actually my network lost and reconnected. Thanks for yeah. So we are going to use this. We are going to customize the using the H++ language, and how we can get that these requirements. Okay, on top of another person is there. Those who are we can call as a functional consultant. Okay, actually, this function consultant having that idea about that our product, he can talk with that customer, and based on the customer, he can prepare a document called FDD, functional design document. Okay, functional design document he can prepare that functional design document assigned to that one of the technical person. The technical person is going to customize the existing product. Okay, this is what exactly we are going to do. Okay. Now we'll see the front end how it look like. You think? Open your front end. Yeah, guys, this is a front end. We can call it as a UI. Some people is called as a client end, and means since a user in or output also. But this is actually client. We can call it as a client. Why it is called client? The user is going to be working here only. This is the functional and front end. Here all the modules is available. What are that things we have talked about? Asset management, audit workbench, and purchase order and sales ledger means it's your customer information, sales order information, invoicing. Like this information is available. So we are going to customize existing product. Suppose if you go to the purchase ledger module, and all supplier is nothing but vendor and purchase orders. Okay, so like this module is there, and the human resource HR module, who are the workers, contractors, permanent employees, past workers, everything is there. And payroll, your employee attendance and their statements, and what is their packages and everything is talk about here. Like system warehouse management also is there, and in inventory, lot of modules are there. Okay, this is for it's Microsoft is already pre-built these things there. As I told, this is useful for that multiple companies. Actually here the companies, we can change the companies here. Okay, these are that drop down is populating the company list. We can change that those companies. Let's we'll open that our developer environment. How we are going to use the developer environment? What is our developer environment? Visual Studio IDE. Okay, VS IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. See, now I'll open the Visual Studio. I click run as administrator. These are that recent projects I have used it. Okay, first start page will open. Then actually here we are going to work in the Visual Studio. This is the main important one, AOT application objectory, and we have a data model, data types. In the data model tables, what are the tables we are going to create, and those tables we can use into the form session. Those forms we can deploy into the menus. These menus will be appear here actually. Okay, here in this part we are going to be work as a technical consultant entire life. This is the Visual Studio here we are going to use. Guys, any questions up to here? We'll discuss about that. What is the
Does
syllabus? Yeah,
Hi. Does this training cover all this technical module like finance, supply chain, and HR, or what does this training covers?
yeah. The training covers entirely 100% H plus plus language. Okay, the technical people is not belongs to that finance or HR or account receivable. Okay, technical people
O-
can solve all the modules errors and customizations.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
We'll discuss. Yeah. Okay, thank you. I hope I answered your question
Yeah.
correctly.
Yeah. 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 Fine. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, we'll see the syllabus, what the syllabus we are going to discuss. Okay, this is the my syllabus day wise, day 1, day 2, day 3, still 45 hours the session I mentioned here. But in day 1 we are going to discuss this one, and day 15 this one. Don't think like that, because just I have segregated days wise. That's why. Okay, we can discuss about that some basic to advanced level. Can this basic to advanced level. Basic means first it will start with that how to create the table and oops concepts, brand new tables, Okay, up to here, these are the basic things. Once these basic things is completed, then we can go with that advanced topic. Advanced topics, what are the COC, chain of command, event handlers, and methods, overloading and override the method, SSRS reports, okay, form customizations, data entities, batch programming, collection classes. Okay, these are the things we are going to in the advanced level, because first we should know about that basic thing, then standard product, how we are going to be customize it. Directly if I start the advanced level, but basic we don't know what it is happening, means it's the ground level. Okay, and the day one we can discuss about the architecture of the Dynamics 365 and how it is came to the market and everything we can discuss. And after that, models, layers, label IDs, some AOT important introduction, and what are the objects we are going to discuss, application object tree, and the data types, primitive data type, standard data types also is there, and how to create the tables, table methods, container and display and find method examples, and table relations, delete actions, oops concepts, looping statements, basins. Okay, like this user interface. User interfaces comes to the forms, menus, form templates, SSRS reports also will come, and dialog. How we are going to create that dialog, and fat boxes, X plus plus select queries, AOT queries, number sequences. This is the most important one. Reporting concept, query based report, RDP based report, and with parameters, without parameters, and the same report, how we can open the multiple designs, those things, everything it will cover through programmatically. Yeah.
Any basic idea of Power BI?
Yeah, Power BI, I can provide it if you require a separate, but that is created a separate service. This is content, it's entirely. If you require
Ah,
that Power BI or LCS knowledge or Power
ah,
Apps knowledge, okay,
okay.
and
Ah,
Logic Apps also, that is a separate thing. Is this is not included here?
okay. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. See,
So
export
that
and
is a separate training module you have, Power Apps, DevOps, all these things.
yeah, separate is required. And one more thing, for suppose if you want, I can develop the Power BI reports, but if you want to test the Power BI report, you need the two-tier environment. When one-tier
Mm-hmm.
environment, we can't test it.
Okay.
Yeah, but two-tier environment, no one, no developer doesn't have it. Only that the
Okay.
corporate people, means, companies only can provide, right? And
Okay.
license also. Yeah. But I can cover it theoretically how we are going to deploy and everything if you required.
Uh,
Yeah,
okay, fine, fine.
yeah.
And how
And
we can practice this training, the technical, how, this technical training? So we have to install Visual Studio in our laptops.
yeah, I
How we
will
can?
come to that point. This is the
Okay,
environment setup. I will come to
fine,
that
fine,
point.
fine. Please go ahead.
Yeah,
Please go ahead. Thank you.
yeah. Welcome. Yeah. See, and export and import data entities, aggregate data entities, composite data entities. Okay, these are also very important, guys. In Dynamics 365 world, you don't know anything. Okay, while going to the interview, you can tell I don't know anything. I know that SSRS reports and data migration. Because of this export and import, it will comes under data migration. Also you will get the job. Okay, you will get a chance to get the job, because nowadays all the projects is going to migrated to 8 2012 to D365. So in this D365, their data also, there is a huge amount of data is there. Let's say example, customer have a data into that some other system like Salesforce or .NET or SAP systems is there. So those data they require into the our Dynamics 365. How we can bring that data and all those things is it cover here. Okay, and compare tool means it is comes under that some version history. Okay, move data from one environment to another environment. This is the something, these two is that some deployment perspective. Okay, and built-in functions, how the date function, how I can print the today's date, and how I can print that current company data and user time zone. and string to some integer function conversions, and printing that what are the user defined things, some notifications, some few built-in functions are there. Okay, string to date conversion, date to string conversion, how those things is discussed here, and table extensions and customization completely D365, and menu extensions, class extensions, OData, and the services means it's a OData. I can show to you how we are going to be talk with that other system up to OData generation. I can show to you, and compare to package deployment using trace parser, performance related issues, security, these and few topics also we can cover it, like data effectiveness, table inheritance, those things also will cover it. This is the entirely the technical syllabus, guys. Total it's a 45 hours daily, 1 hour session is there. Yeah, clear? Any
Uh,
clarifications?
yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, what about the workflow creation? New workflow creation.
Workflow creation is not covered here. Yeah,
If you don't mind, can you able to add that as well? That is very
yeah,
helpful for us.
definitely.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay,
Thank
definitely.
you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. You are from Jesse? You're
I'm
from
currently I'm in Dubai.
Saudi or Saudi? Yeah, yeah.
No, no.
That's why.
Yeah, Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai and Saudi people only asking the workflow. I understand. That's why.
Because here,
Yeah, yeah.
the companies need a lot of workflows required in the system.
Understand, understand. Because I had a experience with the work with that Dubai and the Saudi people. They work with that mostly SSRS reports, form customizations, workflows. These three
Yes.
things they are looking. Yeah, mainly.
Yeah, yeah.
Correct.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, fine. This is about silver, and definitely I will add to that workflow, and workflow will cover it after completion of the all the classes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
Fine.
Hello, Amar. Hello.
Shiva.
Hello.
Yeah, Shiva.
We used to work as a functional consultant or a technical consultant.
Technical consultant. This is a technical demo.
Okay.
Okay. And coming back to that practice session, okay, as a Jessim, you asked about that how we are going to set up this one. Okay, I can give that one person number. He is located in India and Hyderabad. Okay, he will install into that your mission. He can take
Okay.
the some charge, then he can install. That is a there is no license expire and nothing is there. See, you can see that my license also here. We can recognize certification. This is up till 2039 is required.
Okay.
Okay, but
So
in
that
your
means
real estate
every day
system,
after the class we can practice our own, my own, right?
yeah. You need that some hardware requirement for that your laptop. That is that Core i5 or later processor. Okay,
Okay.
nowadays everyone having that Core i7, so it's not an issue. And
Excuse me.
SSD hard disk. Yeah,
Hello.
someone is trying. Yes, yes, yeah.
Uh, the session is about means functional consultant.
No. This is a technical.
Okay, Microsoft Dynamics 365 now. Oh,
Yeah,
hello.
Microsoft
Oh,
Dynamics. Yes, yeah, Microsoft Dynamics 360 F&O.
okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Is there is any means you're taking a session like a functional consultant? No.
Yeah, functional consultants also is there. You can fill. Actually, I'm providing this link. Okay, please fill your details in this Google form. Then we'll
Okay.
come back to you. Okay, and who are attending this demo, if you please fill this one. Okay, we'll share that to some useful docs also. Okay, after registration. See, SSD hard disk 250 GB is required, and 16 GB RAM. 8 GB also is fine, but if good 16 GB, then we can install the Dynamics 365 F&O into the your machines.
Okay.
Okay,
So
this
only
is
this
the
is the
hardware
prerequisite, right?
yeah. This is the hardware hardware configuration. Okay.
Okay.
I think you are staying in that Dubai. Then Dubai almost it's a reach 32 GB of laptops also is you getting from last
Yeah.
years only. Correct? It's
Just
not an
want,
issue.
yeah, yeah. Just want to
Yeah,
verify that's all before
yeah,
joining the
yeah.
class. Yeah. Okay.
Correct.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
this is the hardware configuration. And
Mm.
for technical people, the main thing is that OOPS concepts is the thing. But no worries, we'll teach the OOPS concepts, some basic level to advanced level. Yeah, that is about the installation. And coming back to that, how the sessions is provided. The session is starting from that in Indian timing 7 a.m. IST to 8 a.m. Okay, this is the batch, and classes starting from that 26th December, means it's a Monday. Monday
Okay.
onwards, the batch is going to start. There is no delay on that one. Exactly, the session will start at 7 a.m. Okay, every day 45 minutes to 1 hour session is there, and
Okay.
Saturday it will extend with that 1.5 hour to 2 hours session is there. So it will complete before only. Means it's within 1 month or 1 month, 1 week or like that. So, and Saturday we'll discuss about that your doubts and everything. Suppose there is no doubts, then we'll continue with the class.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the
Sunday is off,
thing.
right?
Yeah, Sunday is off.
Okay. Do you provide recording of the class, recording
Yeah,
of
yeah,
the session
yes,
after the classes? Every classes
yes.
you provide, right?
Yeah, yes. You ask a very good question. Actually, I missed it because everyone is require. This is a lifetime recording access. You have lifetime
Mm.
access. I can provide it, but this is
Okay.
only read-only access, no download. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Fine.
you can get the recordings access also. Every day after completion of class, next 1 hour, you will get that link.
Mm.
That one Google Drive link I can share. That link you can get it.
Amar,
Mm.
Rahul this
Yeah,
side.
yeah, Rahul.
Uh, Actually, I am working with Business Central. So this finance and operations 365 is same as Business Central or is different?
No, Business Central is different and Dynamics F&O is entirely different.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Okay, that is about the demo, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm stopped recording.